All right, it's time for our last video from the Week 12 test, and this is Concept 11.1. So this is one where you can check your work and figure out how the concept works. You're not going to see it on another test. It's a C problem, but you will see it on the intervention. So it's a good one to study for if you need to work on this for your intervention. So on these problems, step one is to simplify. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to do just what we've talked about all along, and that is I'm going to look for each subtraction. I only found one, and make it into adding an opposite. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute. So 14x has nothing to distribute. Negative 8 times x, so that's plus negative 8x. Negative 8 times 1 is plus negative 8. Plus 16 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2 plus m. Notice the m is not multiplied by the 2. It's not in this parentheses. So the 2 is only distributed to the x and the 1. Now it's time to combine like terms. So I've got a 14x and a negative 8x that can go together. So 14x plus negative 8x is a positive 6x. I also have a negative 8 and a positive 16 that can go together. Negative 8 plus positive 16, so 8 zero pairs is going to leave me with 8. And then equals 2x plus 2 plus m. All right, we need to remove the 2x by adding its opposite. We need to remove the 2 by adding its opposite. Remember, our goal here is to solve for m. So we are trying to solve for m. So let's go and do this work. If we're adding a negative 2x to that side, we're adding a negative 2x over here. 6x plus negative 2x is 4x. Plus, remember, we always know it's going to be addition. Might be adding a negative, but it's going to be addition. We added negative 2x there, so we have to add negative 2x here. 8 plus negative, or not negative 2x, but negative 2. 8 plus negative 2, 2 zero pairs, so it's equal to 6. And all of that equals m. So 4x plus 6 equals m. So immediately we can see A works. A is 4x plus 6. B does not work. C, when you distribute 2 times 2x, you get 4x. And 2 times 3, you get 6. So that works. And D, when you distribute, you get 2x divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Well, 2x divided by 2 is just x. We already know it's not going to work. 3 can't be divided evenly by 2, so we leave it as x plus 3 halves, and that doesn't work. So our answers, A and C. Over number 6. Sam claimed that two expressions, the negative or the opposite of 2x minus 3 and 9 minus 6x divided by 3 are equivalent. Is he correct? Explain why or why not. And you have to be careful on these because a few people have just wrote down no, or they just wrote down yes. You don't get credit for that. You have to explain. So let's go through the two of them. Let's take the first one. Negative or opposite of 2x minus 3. Remember we said put a 1 there. That's going to help you when it comes time to distribute. Negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1, we're going to make that add the opposite. Negative 1 times negative 3 is a positive 3. On the other side, we have 9 plus negative 6x divided by 3, which means we have 9 divided by 3 plus we have negative 6x divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus negative 6x got a cold, sorry about this. Negative 6x divided by 3 is negative 2x. Addition is commutative, so we can change that to negative 2x plus 3. And when we do that, negative 2x plus 3, negative 2x plus 3, they are the same. So our answer is yes. Sam is correct. Okay, again, you're not going to see this on another test, but you will see it on an intervention. So if you still need to work on this one, study it and bring those questions back to class.